Draft City Ordinance Number 13 SP 2025-058, an ordinance establishing the institutionalizing the annual Panag-Ipon Festival in the city of Lawag, Ilocos Norte, providing funds therefore and for other purposes. Mr. Chair, the Panag-Ipon is a significant cultural, culinary, and economic tradition unique to the Ilocano people, particularly in the coastal communities of Lawag City. Ipon is known as the treasure of the Ilocandia, which refer to the translucent juvenile gubi fish revered as traditional delicacies. Since its seasonal appearance marked a time of communal celebration and livelihood, it is necessary to formally establish the Panag-Ipon Festival Ordinance to celebrate this heritage while simultaneously raising public awareness, regulating responsible harvesting, and compliance with existing closed season for the goby fry. This festival shall be celebrated annually as a week-long event starting on the 9th day following the full moon of November and continuing for 7 days thereafter. The timing specially designated to ceremonially mark the first month of open fishing season in Lawag River. It is adjacent marine shore consistent with Ilocano fishing practices to effectively plan, manage, and execute the annual Panag-Ipon Festival. An organizing committee shall be created and it will be composed of the local chief executive as the chairperson of the Committee on Tourism, and the Committee on Agriculture, Cooperative, and Livelihood as the vice chairpersons, and the City Tourism Officer, the City Agricultural Officer, the City Budget Officer, and representative from the local Fisher Folks Cooperatives Association, and the represent from the local Chamber of Commerce business sector as member of the said committee. The budget will be 500,000 pesos and be taken from the supplemental budget under the City Tourism Officer, maintenance, and other operating expenses for the succeeding years. I am now ready for my interpellation.